Hi friends, so today I will be doing an unboxing video on the Hikvision wireless alarm system kit. I am Sandeep Patil, your security expert. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button below. Let's dive in. So this is the wireless Hikvision alarm control kit, and in this kit you get one motion sensor, you get the main wireless control panel, one key FOB and one magnetic contact. Let's see what's inside. It says that it's a two-way wireless technology featuring SMS and app. It supports an SMS and app. There is a voice guiding feature, smart configuration, encryption, alarm linkage, and power status. Okay, and this control panel supports up to 32 wireless detectors and 8 key fobs and 2 wireless sensors. Very nice. It's a huge panel. Supports a great number of devices, and it supports 2 channels, 7 seconds pre and post alarm. Okay, so it has a video verification feature wherein in case of alarm, it will send you a video notification on your mobile phone with 7 seconds of pre and post alarm. That's fantastic. And one push wireless device adding, that means it's very easy to program. Voice prompt, supports Wi-Fi and Ethernet. That's too good. And most important, it has a 12 hours of battery life. I think there are very few or none, I would say, that gives you 12 hours of battery backup. And it supports a contact ID protocol, and you can do a web configuration. And there is an app for iOS and Android, that's the HikConnect app, and it supports a push notification. And this is an optional feature where you can have GPRS or 4G model, and for that you need for SMS you need this particular option, and audio notification via phone call. Super. And these are some of the features of the PIR. It says that it gives you a 10 meters of detection range, and it's a pet immune PIR up to 24 kgs. It has a tamper-proof design, two-way wireless technology. So in this two-way wireless technology, actually you can see the status of the battery of this particular detector. So that's a really important feature, and it has an 800 meters of RF transmission in box they have given in the open area condition. Okay, and you have one magnetic contact, and it also has a two-way wireless and encrypted RF communication, and it has a dual read. That's great. So on the magnetic contact, you can either the magnet can be put it on the left or right side, so it works both the sides. That's super. And it has one key FOB which supports arming, disarming, panic alarm and alarm clearing functions, and the range is limited to 300 meters in open area. Again, two-way wireless and encrypted. So friends, let's open and see what's there inside. Wow, the packing seems like the Apple company. Yeah, cute. So here we go. Okay, so inside we have the manual, operating manual, where it gives you a step-by-step guide about how to install and program the system. Okay, great. Then here is the panel, the main panel, the alarm panel, where you have the indication of the system, the power on, any issues connected to internet, and whether it's arm or disarm, and the indication light. And backside there is a small screw. Once you open it, I think there should be some connectors and battery backup. Okay, and this is the wireless motion sensor having an indicator LED over here. Okay, This is the magnetic contact having the notch over here. It says the dual relay, right? Reed relay. So you can have it on both the sides. And this is the small cute magnet. So you need to match these two lines here, okay, for the maximum use. So that's how it works. And this is a pendant or key FOB to arm or disarm the system or mute the siren. So this is a good one. There are a couple of boxes inside. Let's see what's inside this box. So let me open. So I think these are the accessories for the PII detector, the mounting brackets and screws. And here is the powerhouse, which provides the 12 hours of battery backup. Superb. Can't imagine, like, in such a small form factor we can get a battery backup of 12 hours. Great. The second box. In this second box you get a power adapter, and also there are some stickers which you can put it on the magnetic contact and stick it on the wall or doors or windows. So no need to screw it up. Great thought. We have one more box. It says control panel accessories. Oh, nothing but small screws. Great. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much.